Hi, I'm Anu from Sharon Folks Library, and I bring one more Family Quest challenge for everyone today. And today it's all about garden, and it's also about how to reuse and repurpose things from around the house to use as garden planters. So let's just get right to the work and see how it's done. First off, I have some examples of what I've done before. These are some marigolds and there's some mint, and I've used this cup which I was going to throw, but then I decided why not use it as a planter, and it kind of looked very pretty. So, and things have been growing in this. This has been growing in this for quite a while, and I planted this one today, and this has been in it for a while too. And this is a can, as you can see, and in this one I tried something different. I put some holes underneath so that the water can drain out, but then I found that a little more, it's a bit challenging to put a hole in there. So I thought, why not I find something easy. So I did find something easier to do is to put some pebbles inside and then put some soil and then spray some water and then put the whatever you want to plant. You can plant either a seed, or you can just cut some plants, like how I plan to do is to cut some mint here from what's growing already, and then make some space for this little stem to get inserted, and then it would start growing. Just like you see this one growing here, I took this from the garden downstairs and it's been doing fine. So we're going to take this one and see how we can plant this in this mug. So first we just fill some pebbles inside, and once that's kind of this much, you don't have to fill too much, just this much, and then I'm going to fill it with some dirt. And as we go along, if you find that the soil is dry, like I see that it's dry, you can keep squirting some water so there is enough moisture for the young seedling to get in there and grow well. So I just use maybe end of this scissors to make some space, and I have this, and this goes in here, and I press it down so that it gets enough support. Like so. And I'm going to fill it up with some more soil around so it gets proper support. And we're going to spray some more water in this now. Make sure there's water at the base. And we press it down. Not too much, because it still needs some space to breathe. Just firm, but not too much. Here, now we have this ready. It needs sunlight, so it can be kept in a windowsill, on top of on the ledge of a windowsill. You could put it where enough sunlight is there. And as you know, there is no hole underneath, so the water is not going to come out. So it can be on the windowsill without any water coming out or dripping anywhere. At the same time, we do have to remember that we can't overwater this because there is no place for water to come out. So we can only just spray a little water maybe every other day, and just make sure the soil is not too dry, and that's all it needs. And it gets enough sunlight and enough water, and some loving care, and it's going to grow just fine. There's another way to do it in glass jars, and when you do it in glass jars, these pebbles look very pretty underneath. So I'm going to try to fill one more. Gardening can be a very rewarding experience. If you try this activity at home and if you liked it and you took pictures of it, or if you took a video of it, please do share it with us. You can reach us in Facebook or in Instagram. Make sure that you have adult permission and you're doing this with adult supervision, and keep your face out of the picture and make sure you don't use your full name. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.